Read a book.
Okay, read a book. Okay. Celebrate you, celebrate me. I have lots and lots of yellow feathers. We're pink and yellow, red, green and blue. We have skin and fur and feathers too. We think you'll find where each one of us shine.
Mama.
Yeah, she looks like Mama. Thanks, Bob. Are you
Duck.
duck? Very good. What does the duck say?
Quack.
Quack quack. You're too happy with the book.
Bueno. Wow.
What's that?
Wow. Ma.
Yeah?
God.
It's a lizard. Lizard. Oh, very good, Bob. Yeah, it's a whale? Oh yeah, it's a penguin. You're right. It is a penguin. Today, I was browsing the Delta app to see kung magkano yung aabutin kapag umuwi kami ng Philippines this December, the three of us. And it's gonna cost us $9,000 papuntang Philippines. That's a round trip ticket, so technically $3,000 per person. So $1,500 one way. It's actually more than $3,000. So ang mahal. And technically, si Max, pwede naman namin hindi siya bilhan ng ticket kasi he's under 3 years old. So for international flights, kailangan lang namin bilhan ng, or kailangan lang namin magbayad ng tax technically. Pero at his age, hindi pwedeng wala siyang sariling seat. Mahirap. It's gonna be uncomfortable for him, it's gonna be uncomfortable for us. So it's best na may sarili siyang seat. So sobrang mahal. I don't know. We'll see. But if you're in the Philippines or you're going to the Philippines, and if you're looking for a fun place, a relaxing place to unwind and to relax, I do know a resort in Batangas. So it's in Porto Laiya. It's called Villa Tobias Resort. It's an amazing place. So that's where Max had his first birthday celebration, and it was just a fun, clean space, just so relaxing, so elegant. It's very cozy, it's private. Like if you do rent it, you're gonna have the whole house to yourself. Such a fun, amazing place to stay at kung gusto nyo talagang makapag-relax. It's also near the beach, so it's only like 5-minute walk probably sa beach, and it has a white sand. And also, dun sa mismong area, sa beach area, you can do so many different activities while you're there. Like when we were there, nag-island hopping kami, tapos yung kayak. Yeah, they have kayaks too. Pero we did yung parang bamboo, yung balsa. And then we had lunch there sa gitna ng dagat. It was so much fun. And then you can do snorkeling too. There's so many different activities. It's such a great place to stay at. Sobrang nakaka-relax talaga. And then the house itself has a big pool na you can use. You can do barbecues. It has a lot of bedrooms and a big living space. So it has an indoor and outdoor space. You can hang out. So it's called Villa Tobias, and I will link the Facebook link below. You can message them, you can check out pictures, and then you can book too through Facebook. I'm telling you, it's such a beautiful, amazing place, and you will not regret it. They also have a very attentive caretaker, Kim. Whenever you need anything, he's gonna be there. If you need help with anything, he's always ready to help. So it's really worth it. Thank you. Still waking up. Let's put some cream on your tuhod and your face, okay? So Joseph got home and he made this delicious burger. Paano tayo papayat, Bess? Good morning! We are headed to Hancock Village today and we will bring you guys with us. Hi! Good morning! Hi! Hi, cutie! Oh, shush! Oh, shush! Stopping for some brunch. Hi! We're here. Yung mga bahay nila is there. But so right now we'll buy tickets first and then we'll ask where to go next. To the village. So this is like a, when you enter, parang may maliit na museum. So nung bumili kami ng ticket, in-explain niya yung map kung saan yung mga bagay-bagay na pwede namin puntahan. And the main reason we went here is for yung petting zoo for Max, but there's so much more to do. Whoops! Look at this apple tree. So many apples. But like, so each home, pwede kang pumasok, tingnan mo kung ano yung meron. You can do all that. Hi! Up? Okay. You need help? You see, what is it? Yes. What is that? Pang halaman, pang tanim. Yeah. Yeah. First year. This is so pretty. Look at that. How pretty. Whoa! Whoa! So, nandito kami ngayon sa loob ng barn.
Oh, look at that chicken.
Whoa! It's just out and about.
Don't chase or pick up the chickens.
Yeah.
Feed the animals. Don't leave children on the pen. Please respect all signs.
Yeah.
Here you go.
What's that? You get down?
No.
Why? You can pet them though. Goat. Yeah, goat. Hi.
What's that?
Oh, he said hello. He said hello. He said, yeah, goat. Very good.
Yeah.
Good. Good.
Look here,
Oh,
sheep.
look. There's a sheep here. What does the sheep say? Ba. Hi, sheep.
Look at the sheep.
Yeah. Look. He's right there. You see him? Hi, sheep.
He's squatting down like you.
Sheep. Yeah. Oh, they're over here too.
Look, the
Oh.
cow. Over here.
Wow. Wow.
There's pigs too.
Yeah. He's seen it a lot at home. But he was so little. In Halhala, I meant. Madaming baboy si Lolo. Ooh. These are... Oh, those are called merino sheep. That's them. Hi, sheep. There are a lot of them. He's coming to say hi to you. Aww. Aww. Hi. Hi, you be gentle, okay? Yeah. Be gentle, okay? Gentle. Yeah, it's a cocoa chicken. What's that? Yeah, there's sheep. It's a mama? It's a mama. Bibi?
And that's why I'm glad I made a whole bunch of them, because I'm like, man, yeah.
Came off the grill, huh? Oh, yeah, the fish came off the grill.
Hi.